headlines. India reports 41,000 new coronavirus case study, over 88.14 lakh. Unidentified people place bombs at 2 separate places in Imphal. And Assam improves vigil along interstate border areas with Mizoram. A very good afternoon and welcome to Times of Manipur News today at 1 p.m. This is MASACO giving you the latest news updates. As a responsible citizen, it is our duty to minimize the spread of coronavirus as much as possible. Wash your hands frequently with soap for at least 20 seconds. Using an alcohol-based sanitizer also helps keep the virus at bay. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Avoid stepping out unless absolutely necessary. Always wear a mask before stepping out and even in your own home in the presence of outsiders, as masks have been proven effective in containing the virus. Maintain a social distance of at least 2 meters in public places. And now the news in detail. India reported 41,100 coronavirus cases, taking the total tally to 88,14,579 yesterday, as per the Union Health Ministry. The death toll has mounted to 1,29,635, with 447 deaths recorded in the last 24 hours. The total active cases are at 4,79,216 after a decrease of 1,503 in the last 24 hours. Total recovered cases are 82,05,728, with 42,156 new discharges in the last 24 hours. As per the Ministry of Health, the recovery rate in India is at 93.9%, while the fatality rate is at 1.47%. The active cases comprise of 5.44% of the total cases as of yesterday. Meanwhile, the Indian Council of Medical Research also informed that as many as 8,05,589 samples were tested for coronavirus on November 14th, that is on Saturday. The total samples tested in India so far are 1.24 crore. COVID-19 infection in Manipur has mounted to 21,636, with a spike of 194 fresh cases reported in the past 24 hours. The COVID-19 Common Control Room of Manipur government said 5 people succumbed to the deadly disease in the last 24 hours, pushing the death toll to 218 in the state. The active cases are 3,084, while the recoveries are 18,334 as of now. The coronavirus recovery rate is reported to be 84.73% so far. Some unidentified persons placed a hand grenade at a residence at Kongba Bazar, Khetri Lekai of Imphal East this morning. The bomb was found around 6:30 a.m. at the residence of one Kuraizam Nabakanta Singh, aged 55 years, sources told TOMTV. The bomb was safely removed from the site by a police team. Further details are awaited. In the meantime, a hand grenade was found planted at the main gate of Hindustan Construction Company Limited, located at Lamshang Tauthang, Apaiba Tharoijam this morning. Reportedly, a team of police safely removed the bomb and defused it. Amid rising border tension between Assam and Mizoram, Sarbananda Sonowal government has decided to increase the number of border outposts in the vulnerable stretches of the state. According to media reports, the Assam government has taken a lot of steps to improve vigil along the interstate border areas. Drones are being used to keep an eye on the forest areas along the border. Around 589 square kilometers of Assam's land is reportedly under encroachment by the neighboring states. Meanwhile, the Mizoram government has started gradual withdrawal of its police personnel from the territories of Assam. The Ministry of Home Affairs (MHA) is closely monitoring the situation along the Assam-Mizoram border areas as the situation there flared up recently. It's time for a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Pemba ngaton, nimot sakop kita magbukto bibiyari. Kung si sahigi oinati COVID-19 na awaban ng halabamiyang dinamag yenjeraga. Pemba keji dalupa changa yang kay ngaton na keji dalupa changa da yondegani. Pam es tomba entrance Pemba farm hiantang.
Admission form Thazare, Manipur University Kancipur Manakalai Temple of Learning Degree College ki admission form Thazare. Professional course da BBA amasung BCA ne, General course da BA amasung BSc course ne. Loina Temple of Learning toll ki CBSE amasung atopa board ki pass rupa mahirusing yengnaga class 11 Science Arts amadi Commerce ki mingjan form Thazare. Athubada mingchan heu akupa marol college amasung school ki office ta ki khangbi biagane.
Sina phare tan badinate ko asengba aina pamba darkar oiba grocery items singda red delivery app sijanaraga order to biro loire chaningba restaurant gi food po ersu overpay to budilar dana pot khudingma discount pibuga loina na khudak te inakte yore isine red delivery for you.
Luhungbagi fizang, private party singi decor, inaugural function gi balloon decor, birthday party gi balloon decor, formal function singi decor, amadi makal khudingmaki decor gi damak kana leiti haibagi wabi raganu. Apamba machu sizinaduna apamba moongda thawain hek khoida zaba moongda decor sing tobininga singna akupa morol gi damak contact tobirau DD Bros Decora Kaisamthong Ahanthem Lekai Imphal. Contact number 8258047042 natraga 7005313996.
Khanghanjaba Tom Cable subscriber singda yamna nungaiba pau amatang khanghanjari madudi Tom Cable ase pay channel on bagaloinana tongan ba khudong chaba kaya pibata natana ayat apan yaudana ahenba services kaya piduna miyamgi thogal mapung fana tawba ngamjaragani subscriber singna isa gi connection gi thage fee online gi khuthangda prepaid mode oina tidok piduna channel asibu apan be yaudana nungaina yengbina banolukchari matau karamna online gi khuthangda thage fee tv gadage haibadu makhada uchari ahanba step ta tomtv.co.in da changbiraga adongi set top box number du mention biraba matungda pijariba package lupa chahum yankai chamri natraga chamri yankai sidagi apamba package ama khanbiraba matungda pay online dan nambiu ani suba step ta adongi payment adu confirm tawbiraba matungda pay now da nambiu ahum suba step ta prefer payment methods khanbiraga payment tawbinaba khanghanjari ba Tom TV Cable contact number 8132089758 natraga 8974279099.
Seventh Heaven, a slice of happiness, is now in Imphal West. Please come and enjoy the grand opening offer on 3rd November. Offers are: buy any cake, get half kg cake free, valid on 3rd November. Buy half kg classic cake, get lava cake free, and buy one get one on pastries, valid on 4th and 5th November. Address: Sega Road, Konjing, Hazarilekai. Contact number 0385 295 2124 or 798866 2413. Welcome back after the break. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has tested positive for COVID-19 today. Biren in his Facebook account said that he underwent a test for COVID-19 after feeling unwell. He called on all people who were in contact with him to get themselves tested for COVID-19. On the joyous occasion of Ningol Chakoba, Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Y. Khemchand Singh has extended warm greetings to the people of Manipur. In his message, Khemchand wrote Ningol Chakoba, or a grand feast specially arranged by each Manipuri family for their married daughters or sisters, stands tall in paying grand respect to women. Manipur Agriculture, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Minister Oinam Lukhoi Singh has also wished the people of India, including Manipur, on the occasion of Diwali, the Festival of Lights. In a message, the minister stated that Diwali is one of the most important festivals of India, celebrated by people of all communities. The day marks the victory of light over darkness, he mentioned. United Committee Manipur UCM has also wished every woman of all ethnic groups in Manipur on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba. UCM Secretary Information and Public Relation PM Yaima in a release also urged all to celebrate the festival by maintaining proper COVID-19 protocols. An earthquake of 5.2 magnitude on the Richter scale hit the northeastern states of India yesterday. According to National Center for Seismology, the earthquake hit around 2:20 p.m. The epicenter, according to the NCS, is at Myanmar at the depth of 30 kilometers. So far, no casualties have been reported. Imphal East Police continues enforcing TR Challan system on the road besides conducting coronavirus awareness rallies in view of the festive season. The cops are busy making people wear masks, maintain social distance and other COVID-19 SOPs in different parts of Imphal East District. A COVID-19 awareness rally, which started from Palace Gate, concluded at Kaithel Ashangbi after passing through Andro Parking. Kundrakpam MLA TH Lokeshwar provided safe drinking water to the residents of Harauro, a model village. MLA Lokeshwar said the initiative has been taken up under the centre, which has been making efforts to ensure that every household gets drinking water across the country. The water supply was carried out in the collaboration with Harauro Water Supply Committee. Lokeshwar also assured that drinking water supply will reach every household of the village by 2021. The MLA also said that steps will be taken up to monitor the COVID-19 situation in the area after consulting with the Deputy Commissioner and Superintendent of Police.
Masih compulsory government na anyhow baru baku all Manipur gana su masagi forsal lo bidi basing jana Sorok tu pukhalaga, lekong nanang tahu pukhalaga, lekong labuki, kui lekta anu naiba kana garisi action nuang tahu action bari thok podo, baju thok dalam sarkar nama dong tadi sagi kat ini mari le nama decision dah habis raga mari le nama police station habis raga masih nu tinggal nama kona biu hai tu nasun su appeal tu kiri.
Social worker Maitram Sanatomba today distributed food to the monkeys of Mahabali Hanuman Mandir in Imphal East. Ibo Pisak distributed the edibles under the Healthy India, Healthy Manipur mission. Manipur BJP State Council member KH Ibomcha provided essential items to a family of Duigang, Pangzang, Gangma under Lamlai. The family has been in isolation since one of its members has tested COVID-19 positive. Meanwhile, Ibomcha also distributed ration to 4 households of Sekta Makhalekai declared as COVID-19 containment zone. A book written by Tawrangbam Ongbi Kahajam Sanamacha Singha entitled Atia Amasung Malem Lemai was today released during a function held at the residence of Tawrangbam Nimai Chand Singha at Umednagar in Hailakandi district of Assam. Tawrangbam Ongbi Kahajam Sanamacha Singha is a Kamini Kumar Gold Medal awardee 1999 and winners of Dr. Ambedkar Fellowship National Award 2009. Among others, author Kalol Chaudhary and former Assam Manipuri Sahitya Parishad President Thingom Benubabu Singha attended the book release function. It's time for another short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Thoibi,
Haza, cheng no slow. I khao lo thogi.
Marks di.
Kaigi marks no.
Kaigi marks no bu kai no. Hujik oiriba COVID-19 gi lai chet asida marks yauduna thokpa habese khudong thiningai natra.
Haza, I sukhange. I anaba minati. Marks lai beda changadaba sel duna ko mathap ahau badum chathoke.
Nangi sidi lairik hairaga lai sukhangdaba habeduni. Marks upana chinna tondagi tholakpa lok tinna chingbasing phajingadori bani. Nushite yaramba amora kai singdo marks upadi hakchangna changakpadagi ngakthoktoine.
Adudi thaza. I marks am ta upugige.
COVID-19 laichatagi thingnanaba chathokka matamda marks upiyu. Season nabiru raba disposable mask sing mafam chaba yenglaga mai thadopiyu natragana phumjinbiyu. Fi na same sajaba mask sing oiragana nimit khudingi sudok samthokpiraba matungda da seasonabiyu.
Isagi mamal yamnaba punsibu kansi amadi atopagi punsibu khudongthiba sidagi ngakthoksi.
Now, enjoy 20% extra on Kangla Popcorn, Kangla Milky Balls and Kangla Rings.
Kangla.
Lamjingbo Finance na COVID-19 athoga liba khudong chadba mayam asi uziraga collateral security yautana document changdana yamna komo mongda loan fanganjagani shahida sunatagi chada tarani thoigi interest rate tap business loan against property vehicle loan commercial equipment loan commercial vehicle loan ki khudong chaba pisari han loan lobi ki basingi suwana go makhal gi loan asi lobi khudong chaba pisagani akupa morol ki ma contact to biro Lamjingbo Finance Nagamapal. Contact number 7085-831-502 Natraga 9862-629-399. Yumdagi hek chathokiba matamda chingnadaba ngamde selucharuba firoldasu virus asi adum pusilakpa yabagi akiba lei.
Firolda virus changhandanaba Bharat amasung Americana scientifically yanaraba India gi ahanba virus cover spray. Nano coating asina pung ni funipan fawa virus ngakthok pangami. Firol da kapi duna virus tagi ngakthok piu. Virus coverage sizinabiu chingnabiganu.
University of Science and Technology Meghalaya. Unveil your inherent qualities and achieve academic excellence. To fulfill your higher education dreams, join USTM, the People's University.
Welcome back after the break. Dhubri police arrested 4 drug suppliers along with contraband tablets and brown sugar during 2 separate operations yesterday. According to the media report, 2 of the drug suppliers have been identified as Nayab Ali SK, Surat Ali of Nalia, who were arrested during an operation led by the officer in charge of Golagganj police station. They were caught with 5,000 contraband tablets. The 2 other arrested drug suppliers have been identified as Nur Jamal Haki of Kismat Hasda 2 and Bulbul Haki of Dharmshala. They were arrested with brown sugar during an operation led by the officer in charge of Dhubri Sadar police station. Assam police has arrested 2 African nationals, including a woman, from a bus at Churaibari in Karimganj district for illegally entering India. The arrested Africans have been identified as Oladipudo Akanizak, aged 40 years, and Ruth Rail and DC, aged 25 years. Police said the duo was arrested from the bus during routine checking at Churaibari, about 55 kilometers from Karimganj town, around 9 p.m. of November 12th last, as per the media report. The bus bearing registration number AS25CC8658 was on its way to Guwahati from Agartala. An official said that the man, Oladiputo, had a passport, but its validity date had expired around 6 months back. The woman, Ruth Rail, had a valid passport but did not use it while entering Tripura from Bangladesh. A fire at a hospital treating COVID-19 patients in northeastern Romania killed 10 people yesterday and injured 10 others, 7 of them critically, according to media reports. The blaze spread through the intensive care ward designated for COVID-19 patients at the public hospital in the city of Piatra Neamt. Health Minister Nelu Tataru told Romanian media the fire at Piatra Neamt Regional Emergency Hospital was most likely triggered by a short circuit. World Health Organization (WHO) said earlier that the risk of COVID-19 infection from frozen food remains low. China has again sounded an alarm after detecting virus samples on the packaging of a batch of Brazilian beef and Saudi Arabian shrimp. According to the media report, the first instance had been reported from the Chinese city of Wuhan on Friday when the novel coronavirus was detected on the packaging of a batch of Brazilian beef. Reports added that the Wuhan Municipal Health Commission had said in a statement on its website that it had found 3 positive samples on the outer packaging of frozen boneless beef from Brazil. The package bed had ended the country at Qingdao port on August 7th and it reached Wuhan on August 17th, where it remained in a cold storage facility until recently. And now it's time for the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. TDC demands arrest of NHIDCL DGM. Rope in AIMS doctors suggest group of doctors. COVID-19 death toll rises by 5. The People's Chronicle. Virus cases rise amid sluggish tracing testing. 211 new cases detected, 190 persons discharged in 24 hours. Positivity and fatality rate continue to rise. Joint survey conducted for route diversion. Imphal Free Press. TDC refutes allegation, says Irong Bridge collapsed due to lack of maintenance by NHIDCL. Justice delayed is justice denied. With no functional court, people in Tamenglong forced to go to Imphal for legal purposes. Manipur Mail. 5 die, 211 new COVID cases, 190 discharged. 131st birth anniversary of Nehru observed. Pollution increasing in many states.
Now, before we end, the top news headlines once again. India reports 41,100 new coronavirus cases, tally over 88.14 lakh. Unidentified people place bombs at 2 separate places in Imphal. Assam improves vigil along interstate border areas with Mizoram. That's all for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.
Khanghanjaba